Good morning, students. This is the time for computer class and I am your computer teacher. So we are today going to start a new lesson, MS PowerPoint presentation tool. So first of all, we would like to know the definition of MS PowerPoint. I think all of you are familiar with the MS PowerPoint. You must have worked on MS PowerPoint. So what is MS PowerPoint? We can say the definition of MS PowerPoint. Whenever we are asked what is MS PowerPoint, we can say it is an application software that is mostly used for making the presentation. So it is used by the common people, professionals, businessmen, etc. All of the people can use the PowerPoint to make presentation. So it is a part of MS Office. It is used to create beautiful presentations. The data can be imported from MS Word, MS Excel, Paint, etc. to make the power presentation more effective. So whenever we are asked what is PowerPoint, we can say that the PowerPoint is an application software which is mostly used for making the presentations. So MS PowerPoint 2016 is the latest version of this software and is mostly used by all the people who want to make presentations. So the presentation graphics can help in the following way. So first of all, how can it help? It can help the student to learn in the faster way. The slides can be prepared in the presentations, and with the help of slides we can get a more clear idea about the topics. Next, it helps the teacher to present the idea in a much better way by the help of photograph, videos, diagrams, etc. Next, using presentation graphics, a person can convey his message or can convey his idea to the clients in a much better way. And next, using the presentation graphics, the meetings are generally organized in which one can share their ideas or one can share their handouts to the participants. So now the next topic that we have is presentation. Presentation. So what is presentation? We can say it is a structured delivery of information. It is a structured delivery of presentation. It is a structured delivery of presentation. So it consists of number of pages called slides. So it consists of number of pages. It consists of number of pages called slides. So where do we make the presentation? We generally create the presentation on the slides. We can also say what is presentation? It is a collection of several slides. So the slides are grouped together to form the slideshow. So the slides are grouped together. The slides are grouped together. The slides are grouped together. The slides are grouped together to form slideshow. So what is in a slideshow? We can say a slideshow is an electronic presentation displayed on the computer screen. We can say a slideshow is a electronic presentation. Slideshow is an electronic presentation. A slideshow is an electronic presentation displayed on the screen. Displayed on computer screen. Displayed on computer screen. So what is presentation? We can say the presentation is a structured delivery of information. Here we can say it is the presentation is a structured delivery of information. So what is presentation? We can say the presentation is an proper delivery of information. What does presentation consist of? It consists of several slides where we write our content or use our audio videos over there, and the several slides are grouped in a proper way to form the slideshow. So what is slideshow? We can say it is an electronic presentation that is displayed on the computer screen. So what are the tips for an effective presentations? Tips for an effective presentation. Tips for an effective presentation. So there are several tips. First of all, the slide must be designed properly. The graphics and the picture quality should be of attractive one. Unnecessary information should be removed. Background and text color should be better one. Bullet points and text should be of limited one. So next, font should be proper. The text under the bullet should not there shouldn't be long sentence, and we can use hyperlink or link between the slides. So these are some of the tips for effective presentations. So till now what we have learned what is PowerPoint. We can say it is an application software that is used for making the presentations. Who name the persons who make the presentations? Their presentation is made by common people, professional, business personnel, teachers, etc. So what is a presentation? We can say it is a structured delivery of information. The presentation is a structured delivery of information. Presentation consists of several slides. The slides are grouped together to form the slideshow, and the slideshow is an electronic presentation that is displayed on the computer screen. What are the tips for effective presentation? First of all, the slide design should be proper. The high quality graphics and pictures should be used. Unnecessary information should be removed. We should not use dark background or text colors. Bullet points and text should be limited. The font should be a proper one. The text under the bullet should not be of long sentence, and we should use web link or hyperlink between the slides. These are some of the tips for effective presentations. Now comes the topic how to start the MS PowerPoint. How to start MS PowerPoint. So in order to start the MS PowerPoint, either we can go to the desktop or can double click on the PowerPoint icon. First step or the next step is click on start button. Click on start button, and from the start button now go to the MS Office. Click on MS Office. Click on MS Office, and from the MS Office click on MS PowerPoint. Click on MS PowerPoint. So a blank presentation will be created and the PowerPoint window will appear before us. So in this way we can start the MS PowerPoint. Now comes the topic component. Component means the part of the MS PowerPoint window. So the first component that we have is title bar. Suppose consider this as the window of MS PowerPoint. So here we have, this is the slide over here. Click to add title. Click to add title. So the first component that we have is title bar. So the title bar, so here we have title bar over here. Minimize button, maximize button, close button over here. The name of the file which you will save it over here, and here will be the quick access toolbar. in which the save button, undo, redo, all these options will be appear. So the first component is title bar. We have discussed this title bar in MS Word and MS Excel also. So it is located at the top of the window that shows the name of the file which is currently open. The name of the file which is currently open over here. So the title bar displays the name of the file which is currently open. Next is File tab. File tab. So what does the File tab appear? What does the File tab do? When we click on the File tab, so just below it over here we have the File tab over here. In the File tab. So whenever we click on the File tab, a menu appears over here. Drop down menu will appear where we will have the option of creating a new file, open an existing file, saving a file, print a file, etc. Next we have Quick Access toolbar. Quick Access toolbar. So it is located just at the left side of the title bar. So it contains several commands which are used frequently, like save, undo, repeat, etc. Next we have tabs. So what are tabs? So they are located just below the title bar. Where we have different types of tab like File tab, Insert tab, Design tab, etc. Different types of tabs will be appeared. Next we have ribbon. What is ribbon? So we can say that the ribbon is it is located at the top area of the document with various tabs. Each tab contains several commands that are organized into different groups. So we can say that the ribbon is the combination of commands and the groups, and each tab contains several commands which are organized into different groups. Next we have status bar. The status bar is at the bottom of the window. So it displays the number of slides. It also displays the feature like comments, views button, zoom options, etc. Next we have slide pane. What is slide pane? We can say it is on the left side of the window. It displays the outline view of all the slides. So we can say that this is the slide pane. So here it displays the outline view of all the slides. And next we have blank slide. Next we have blank slides. So this is the blank slide. So this is the blank slide. So it is present in the middle of the window. The blank slide is mostly used to create the presentations. We mostly make the presentations in the blank slide only. So these were some of the component of MS PowerPoint. So till now what we have discussed in this video, we have discussed about the definition of MS PowerPoint. What is PowerPoint? We can say that the PowerPoint is an application software which is mostly used for making the presentation. What is presentation? We can say it is the structured or the proper arrangement of informations, the structured delivery of information. It consists of several slides. The slides are grouped together to form the slideshow. What is slideshow? We can say it is an electronic presentation which is displayed on the computer screen. Now we discuss the several tips for making the presentation a much better way. Like the design of the slide should be proper one, high quality graphics and pictures should be used, unnecessary information should be removed, the background and the text color should not be a very dark, bullet points and text should be properly used, font should be a proper one, the text and the bullet should not be long sentence, and hyperlink and web links should be available to add the presentations between the slides. Next we have discussed how to start the MS PowerPoint. click on Start button, click on Microsoft Office, click on MS PowerPoint. The PowerPoint window will appear before us. Next, we discuss the several components of PowerPoint like title bar, file tab, quick access toolbar, tab, ribbon, status bar, slide pane, blank area. So all these were the components of the PowerPoint window. Thank you.